Hello girlies and welcome to my new office slash beauty room. I am so excited to finally have a space that I can turn into my perfect Pinterest worthy girl cave. I'm not entirely sure how I want to decorate this room. I have so much different Pinterest inspiration. I can insert a couple of photos here to show you guys all of the different vibes that I have been loving lately, and I'm just not really sure what direction to go in. My husband and I just bought our first home. I'm so excited to finally be a homeowner. The room that worked out to be the best space for my office beauty room, where I'll be spending a lot of my time, is in the basement. So as you can see, I have this weird layered tiered ceiling situation, and these ceiling tiles have got to go. I've been doing some research and I found some cool alternatives with tiles that just look a little bit more aesthetic and elevated. The one thing that I have done in this room so far is we did paint. I feel like you can't really tell the color super well in this lighting right now, but it's an off-white with just a little hint of pink. It's very much giving Funny Bunny mixed with bubble bath. Very light pink, almost white. The color is from Benjamin Moore. It's called Opulence. I have lots of unpacking still to do. We literally just moved in last weekend and all I've done so far is assemble my furniture. So let me show you guys the different spaces I have in here, and maybe you can sort of give me some ideas and help me decide how I want to decorate this room. So here is what you see standing in the doorway of my room. I do have my little workstation here. I work from home with my 9 to 5, so I definitely need to have my work desk in here. This is really not aesthetic at the moment, and I just kind of have this little niche corner that I've put it in. It fits in there pretty well, but I'm facing this blank wall all day, 5 days a week. So I think I want to put some sort of decor in here, but let me know what you guys think I could do to make this space a little bit less, I don't know, ugly. Over here we have my big full-length mirror. This mirror is from Walmart. I love her so much. This felt like kind of a good space to put it so that it wouldn't be in the background of my videos. But again, if I'm taking a cute little outfit picture, the background of this currently is you can see a little bit of my desk and it's just not very cute. Over here we have a little closet. Right now I just have this little shelving unit from IKEA, and I need to unpack all of my different products and organize them in here. I do have one of the tall Alex drawer units. I think they're the 9 drawer units that I was thinking of putting in there. Next to the mirror, of course, we have my vanity. Again, she is a complete disaster right now. I do think I want to keep the vanity in this corner. It's nice to have it underneath the window because the little bit of natural light that I can get in here comes through this window. So I think it'll be nice to sit here and get as much natural light as possible for when I'm filming my videos. I haven't put anything away into my drawers yet. I think I want to do a video showing how I'm organizing my drawers. And I have some little clear acrylic shelves that I think I want to put on this wall. But yeah, here is how my vanity is looking currently. The table itself is from IKEA and the mirror is from Amazon. This little chair is also from Amazon. Super comfy. I love her. My cat loves this chair as well. The last corner over here, this is what's going to be in the background of all my videos. So I want to have a cute little setup behind me, but it also needs to be functional for storage and things like that as well. Right now I just have a couple cute little boxes and a bunch of other junk that I need to organize and put away, some different boxes that I need to unpack. This little drawer unit is also from IKEA. It's another one of the Alex drawers, but this one has the filing box at the bottom. So in here I keep different stationery items, different tech equipment, computer cords and chargers and all of that good stuff. I think it's a little bit awkward sticking out over there, but I don't really have space to put it over here with my desk. So it got relegated to that corner for now. Over here, I also have a bathroom. So I do have a little bathroom in here. It's pretty small. I don't think I'll ever be showering in here, but it is nice to have a bathroom inside my office. I kind of want to paint this pink, to be honest. I think I kind of want to set up some sort of medicine cabinet storage in here, preferably one that kind of goes inside the wall, and I can organize some of my skincare and beauty products in there and have those Pinterest worthy cute little shelfies. That's something that I definitely want to do at some point. So that's where I'm at with my beauty room right now. It definitely needs a lot of work. I just want to make this the perfect little girl cave hangout spot for myself so that I can enjoy myself a little bit more during my work from home time, and also have a cute little space to film all my videos, get ready, do my makeup, makeup and all of that good stuff. So comment your ideas. Let me know what you guys think I should do as far as like decor in here. I think I just have like too many different directions that I'm being pulled in as far as like my inspo, but I want to make this room really cute and girly. So follow along to see all of the updates on the beauty room. I'll be showing you guys how I decorate and organize. That's going to be it for this video, but follow along for part 2 where we're going to organize my vanity together.